Finding interactive apps that combine fun and learning can be challenging, but Kids Cooking, Toddler Games 2 Plus manages to blend those elements smoothly. Kids Cooking, Toddler Games 2 Plus offers a variety of playful cooking activities designed for toddlers to explore food preparation in a simple, engaging way. I think this approach helps young kids develop basic motor skills while sparking curiosity about healthy eating. The colorful graphics and intuitive controls make it easy for little ones to navigate the kitchen-themed games. The app encourages creativity by letting kids mix ingredients and assemble dishes, fostering imagination alongside coordination. The layout is clear, which helps children stay focused on each task without distraction. A limitation worth noting is that some recipes and features require in-app purchases, which may restrict free play. However, the free version still provides plenty of entertaining content to keep toddlers engaged. Overall, Kids Cooking, Toddler Games 2 Plus provide a safe and fun environment that promotes hands-on learning through play. If you're looking for an app that introduces basic cooking concepts while keeping things lighthearted, this app could be a great fit. Feel free to explore it and see how your toddler responds.